This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the bot in the Discord developer portal and enabling the intents you need, because intents control which events you receive. Once done, copy the token and store it as an environment variable so you never expose credentials. Next, install Node 18+ or Python 3. 10+, initialize a project and add Discord, JS or Discord. Pi. This gets your runtime and core library in place, so you can write the first event handler and invite the bot to your server. You now implement the core. Create your main file, initialize the client with the selected intents, and register handlers for ready and interaction events, because that's where commands live. Then add /commands with proper permissions checks so only the right users can run them, plus error handling and logging to capture faults. Make sure to respect Discord rate limits by using caches and command cooldowns, and optimize which intents you subscribe to so your bot runs efficiently and predictably. You finish by deploying. Pick a host like a container or VPS, run the bot as a service with auto-restart, and configure logging and health checks so problems surface early. Make sure to rotate tokens, update dependencies regularly, and keep a backup of command definitions. If something goes wrong, check the token, verify the required intents and guild permissions, inspect gateway and rate limit error messages, and restart the service. This single troubleshooting path resolves most startup and connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.